unboxing. Today I want to introduce this Air Jordan 4. The Bred just released in 2019. Okay, here is the sole dual shoes. Let me show these shoes on the top box firstly. And next, got this side. The back side, really hot shoes right in on the bottom. Okay, and go ahead, let me show some good details about these so perfect shoes. Firstly, you got this tag from Nike. You can check the orange tag and you can check this Nike swoosh. It's transparent. You can check my finger. Okay, and next you got this so great shape from this side. You got this nice detail. You can check this so good sweet leather. Okay, and on the midsole you got this gray colorway, the white colorway, and you can check this ear unit on this part. Now check this button. You got this so perfect button, and this is the red Nike swoosh. And this part comes with three colorways: black, green colorway, white colorway, and the red. Okay, and I want to show this back side. You got this Nike swoosh in green on the back side, and also you got this detail. You can check this detail. It's very on point, and you can check the back of this part. It's nothing. Okay, and on the midsole you got this white and red. Okay, from this side, let me show this side. You got this green laces holes on this section. You can check this detail. This material is really good. Okay, and next, check this double stitching on this section. You got this so perfect workmanship. Now check this toe box, and you got this shoe tongue with diamond in red. And let me show the back of the shoe tongue. You got this Nike Air Jordan, this tag on the back of the shoe tongue, and you can check this red material. It's really soft. This is so soft. Okay, now let me have a look inside. You got this red insole with Nike swoosh on the heel. And you also can check this part. It's so soft, very comfortable. Okay, really good. Next, let me show another pair, this pair. From this side, the back side, and you can check this green Nike swoosh. It's really perfect. From this side, you can check the whole shape. It's so dope. Let me show the shoes together. Bottom. This side. Back side. Okay. And next, let me show this box. This is the Air Jordan 4, the Jordan box. This is the big red diamond on this section. Next, here is the size tag. You got this Nike Air Jordan, the size tag. In the bottom, you got this information. Okay, do you like this Air Jordan 4 the Bred? If you like it, you can go to my website. I will leave my information below this video, you can directly contact me. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. I will see you next one. Bye.